stay hydrated like a boss with Owala FreeSip stainless steel water bottle. Meet your ultimate hydration partner. The Owala FreeSip insulated stainless steel water bottle, designed for both sports and travel. This 24-ounce bottle is here to revolutionize the way you quench your thirst. Featuring a patented FreeSip spout with a push-button lid and lock, this bottle offers two distinct ways to drink. Sip upright through the built-in straw or tilt back and swig from the wide-mouth spout opening. The push-to-open lid ensures a clean spout, while the convenient carried loop doubles as a lock. Experience the freedom of choice with the FreeSip spout, whether you're sipping or chugging. The double-wall insulation keeps your beverages cold for up to 24 hours, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. The wide opening allows for easy cleaning and ice addition, and the cup holder-friendly base ensures you stay hydrated on the go. The Owala FreeSip water bottle is available in various sizes, and its dishwasher-safe lid and easy-to-clean design make maintenance a breeze. With a mission to create innovative products that enhance your life, Owala delivers a water bottle that's both functional and fun. Whether you're hitting the gym, traveling, or simply staying hydrated throughout the day, the FreeSip is your go-to solution. Choose the Owala FreeSip for a leak-proof, stylish, and efficient hydration experience. Push the button to unlock a world of refreshment, and seize the day hydrated and ready for anything. Embrace the future of hydration and stay hydrated like a boss with Owala.